Let's paint pink camellias. So you'll need a baby pink color and a crimson. You're going to double load your brush. And as you see here, the first stroke, I work right to left because I'm a lefty. You can work left to right if you're right-handed, whatever feels comfortable for you. But I'm laying the chisel end of the brush there, pressing and then just kind of wiggling it up and down as I pull the brush around to where I'm going to end, and then I simply lift off. To add the second petal, it's almost the same rainbow type shape stroke as the first, but starting a little bit lower, coming up and around, and then ending the stroke in a different spot. You're just putting that chisel end of the brush down, pressing the brush into your canvas or your surface and wiggling it from left to right or right to left, whatever feels best for you. Step 3 is a short little petal off to the side, as you'll see here, and keep loading paint as you need it. Don't let your brush get too dry. Feel free to use 2 colors, or you'll see here where I add in a third. Now this last stroke is a little more difficult. Break it down into 2. So the first, you're going to go from left to right, doing that same stroke, wiggling it across and stopping. Then when you start again, you're going to start exactly where you left off, pulling in an upside down rainbow shape back across and then stopping. So watch that again here, guys. You're going to put it down on the chisel, wiggle up, pulling that brush and make irregular shapes, stop. Put that brush back right where you lifted with that first stroke and come back around, and you'll see where it makes the cup shape of the flower. Now, like I said here, you can dip some white in the tip. Keep going over that wet paint until it blends together how you want it. Now let's combine all of those strokes that we just did and make a completed flower. You see how you can go over your strokes if they're not perfect how you want them? Step 2. Now just keep building your flower, and you can vary the size and look of your flowers by just varying those outer petals. The most important part, I think, for the pink camellia is how you do that center, that cup-shaped center. You can keep doing those rainbow-shaped petals all the way around in a complete circle. As long as you get that cup-shaped piece there that I'm doing now in the center. You could do it small, you could do it large. That gives you that center petal of the flower. I hope this helps a little bit as you try to navigate doing these double load brush flowers. I hope you enjoy. Happy crafting.